Hi friends. So I will be asking Mr. Saib that what is your opinion on bonds, or like it's a growing trend that a lot of companies are asking from employees or new workers to sign a bond with them. Yes, please.
So, what I feel is that most of the bonds today are one sided. They are keeping only the company's point of view in mind and their benefit in mind.
Okay.
So, if you read any kind of these employment contracts, they are terrible for employees. They make the employees stuck in a really unfavorable situation.
Okay.
So, I think bonds are fine as long as they are, first thing is transparent. Everything is out in the open. Everything is communicated to the employees before they are sitting there to sign it. Because most companies, what I see is they don't really tell you what the finer points are of the bond, or they sometimes don't even tell you there is a bond. They will go through the entire hiring process, multiple rounds of interviews, tests, everything. And then on the day of joining, when the employee is finally sitting there,
Yeah.
they have left the previous job, everything, and they are sitting there, that's when they will surprise them with a bond. That, oh, you also have to sign 1 year bond, 2
Yeah.
year bond.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the terms and conditions of that bond are really terrible for the employee. It's usually the employee has to work for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. If they leave, they have to pay 1 year salary as penalty, 6 months salary as penalty. So that is making an employee feel like a slave. So that is not favorable. So first thing is that all HRs, they need to inform the employees on the very first call that this is one of our major policies, that you are required to sign a 1 year, 2 year bond with us.
Okay.
Are you okay? And if only employee is okay, then they should move forward. Otherwise, the conversation should end right there.
Interesting.
Because it doesn't make sense that you waste the company's time and the employee's time going through the whole process. Only for the employee to say, sorry, I'm not going to sign the bond after like a whole week of interviews. So that is something that's not wise. It wastes the HR's time, it wastes the company's time, wastes the employee's time. So that is one thing. Another thing is that if a company has a bond,
Okay.
it should be double-sided, meaning that it should keep the employee's benefit in mind. So, for example, if you say that an employee cannot leave a company
Yeah.
for 1 year, and if they do, they have to pay 6 months salary or whatever to the company as penalty.
Yeah.
Fine. Then the contract should say that for any reason, the company cannot terminate an employee.
Okay.
And if they do, they have to pay the same penalty to the employee.
Vice versa.
So that is even, and there cannot be any conditions on it, because most of the bonds for employees, they don't have any conditions. So meaning you cannot leave no matter what, whether it's a health issue, family issue, whatever issue. If you leave, you have to pay the penalty. Similarly, so if an employee is getting terminated for any reason, whether it's performance issue, behavior issue, any issue, then you cannot terminate him. And if you do, you have to pay that amount to the employee. So that is fair.
Thank you. I think it's a very comprehensive answer. Thank you very much.